Keto and Low-Carb Diets, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to manage your weight and improve your health, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll take you through a beginner-friendly guide to keto and low-carb diets. Whether you're curious about how they work, what to eat, or how to get started, we've got you covered. But first, let's begin with an important note. This video is for informational purposes only and should not replace medical advice from a healthcare professional. Please consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. Now, let's dive in. Keto and low-carb diets are two popular eating plans known for their effectiveness in weight loss and improving health. While they share some similarities, they are distinct in their approach. The keto diet, short for ketogenic, is a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carbohydrate diet. Its main goal is to push your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. On the other hand, a low-carb diet reduces carbohydrate intake but allows for more flexibility than keto. It focuses on cutting out highly processed carbs and sugars, while encouraging nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred source of energy. When you consume carbs, they are broken down into glucose, which fuels your body and brain. However, eating too many carbs, especially refined ones, can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes. When you reduce carbs, your body has to find an alternative source of energy. In the keto diet, the body enters a state called ketosis, where it switches from burning glucose to burning fat. This process also releases compounds called ketones, which provide energy to your brain and muscles. Low-carb diets take a different route by not necessarily aiming for ketosis. Instead, they promote fat burning and regulate your insulin and blood sugar levels through steady carbohydrate reduction. Both approaches can help with weight loss, energy stabilization, and improved health markers. If you're excited to try keto or low carb, here's how to begin. Start by taking a closer look at your current diet. Are you consuming a lot of bread, pasta, sugary snacks, or processed foods? Write down your regular meals and identify areas where you can cut back on carbs. On keto, the macronutrient breakdown generally looks like this: 70 to 80% fats, e.g. avocado, olive oil, butter; 10-20% proteins, e.g. chicken, salmon, eggs; 5 to 10% carbohydrates, e.g. leafy greens, cauliflower, zucchini. A low-carb diet doesn't follow strict macronutrient ratios, but it encourages prioritizing vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating some complex carbs like quinoa or berries in moderation. On keto, your meals could include high-fat foods: avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Low-carb vegetables: spinach, kale, cauliflower, and zucchini. Protein sources: beef, eggs, chicken, or tofu in moderation. On a low-carb plan, you'll enjoy lean proteins: chicken breast, turkey, and fish. Fruits with lower sugar content: berries, cantaloupe, or kiwi. Dairy products: cheese, Greek yogurt, or unsweetened almond milk. Both diets recommend avoiding sugary snacks like candy, soda, and pastries, refined and starchy carbs like white bread, pasta, and rice. Processed and deep-fried foods. If you're following keto, breakfast: scrambled eggs cooked in butter with spinach. Lunch: grilled chicken with avocado salad and olive oil dressing. Dinner: pan-seared salmon with roasted zucchini. Breakfast: hard-boiled eggs with a small portion of berries. Lunch: lettuce-wrapped turkey and vegetable sandwich. Dinner: grilled chicken with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Stay hydrated. Reducing carbs can lead to water loss, so drink plenty of fluids. Manage keto flu. If you're starting keto, you may experience headaches or fatigue, often called the keto flu. Combat this by replenishing electrolytes through salt, potassium, and magnesium-rich foods. Plan ahead. Meal prepping and planning will help you stick to your goals and avoid temptations. Both keto and low-carb diets come with benefits, as well as potential challenges. Let's explore these to help you make an informed decision. Weight loss. Both diets promote fat loss while preserving muscle. Steady energy levels. Without sugar spikes, your energy remains stable. Hunger control. These diets reduce hunger by keeping you satiated longer. Improved health markers. Keto and low-carb diets have been shown to improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Keto-specific challenges. The strict guidelines and transition phase of keto can be difficult. Many struggle during the first few days with keto flu symptoms. Low-carb challenges. While less restrictive, staying within carb limits can be challenging, especially when dining out or attending social events. Let's clear up a few common misconceptions. Myth: all fats are unhealthy. Truth: healthy fats like those from avocados and nuts are essential for your body. Myth: low carb means no carbs. Truth: low carb diets still allow nutritious carbs, but you choose them wisely. Starting strong is great, but consistency is the key to long-term success. Monitor your progress. Track weight, food intake, or how you feel in a journal or on an app. Be patient with plateaus. Weight loss stalls are normal. Adjusting carbs or trying intermittent fasting can help. Seek support. Join online keto or low-carb forums for recipe ideas, tips, and motivation. While diet is the foundation of weight loss, adding regular exercise enhances the benefits. Aim for moderate activity like walking, yoga, or light strength training. Weight loss and health improvement are personal journeys. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you choose the structured approach of keto or the flexibility of low carb, remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate progress along the way. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss tips, recipes, and motivational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.